Decorate your home's entrance into a winter wonderland this Christmas. Let your front decor be the highlight of the neighborhood and the perfect welcome for your loved ones. Christmas is just around the corner, and your home's front decor sets the festive tone. Whether you're going for a traditional look or something modern and chic, there are endless ways to make your home entrance magical. Today, we'll explore creative ideas that combine elegance, warmth, and that unmistakable holiday cheer. 1. Start with the door. Your front door is the centerpiece. Add a lush, oversized Christmas wreath adorned with pine cones, red berries, and fairy lights. If you want a personal touch, include ornaments that reflect your family's traditions. 2. Light it up. Illuminate your entryway with warm white string lights. Wrap them around railings, bushes, or even the pathway leading to your home. Lanterns with flickering LED candles on the steps create a cozy, welcoming vibe. 3. Bring in greenery. Use garlands to frame the doorway. Choose fresh cedar or pine for that natural look and scent, or go for pre-lit artificial garlands for a low-maintenance option. Add red ribbons or ornaments for a festive pop of color. Here. So even though it's on, place a pair of decorated Christmas trees on either side of the door for a grand effect. You can also use holiday-themed doormats, wooden signs with seasonal greetings, or rustic sleds and faux gift boxes to add charm. Let your house front decor be a reflection of your holiday spirit. Whether you keep it simple or go all out, make it a celebration of joy, warmth, and togetherness. This Christmas, let your entrance make a statement that everyone will remember.